helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.
Welcome to momseveryday.com. I'm your host, Jen Lennon. Today I'm joined by Dr. Andrew Hall. He's from the Studio for Exceptional Dentistry. Dr. Hall, welcome back.
Good morning.
Now, it's a Happy New Year, right?
Happy New Year, exactly. It is
2014 is here. And I know with the new year, if people are like me, they're looking for ways to maybe change things up or improve their lives. You have a suggestion and some interesting research about that, right?
Yes, we would actually suggest them consider maybe changing their smile or doing a smile makeover. There's some recent research out there that shows that 80% of people actually, that's the first thing they notice about you when they meet you, is your smile.
Absolutely. And you know, we might not always think of it, but I guess I know, to be honest, when I meet people and sometimes they don't smile or their smile isn't overly attractive, I kind of do notice, I have to be honest.
Right, and that's one of the things that we see when a patient does change their smile is that it actually affects the way they approach life sometimes. They actually become more confident. They may get a promotion in a job where they didn't get one before. It can affect people's lives greatly. And
I know you've actually seen that because there's certainly health benefits to improving a smile, right?
Exactly. I mean, some people have chipped, broken teeth, and they need to have some front teeth worked on, quote unquote. And in doing that, we may be able to also enhance their smile, change the color of their teeth, add some symmetry, change if they have crooked teeth, anything like that.
But then beyond it, what you're talking about is how it can really change their lives, and you've seen that with some of your patients, right?
Yeah, exactly. I'm floored by patients who I see, maybe 5, 7 years later, and just where they've gone, and a lot of them have contributed to their smiles or to the change in their smiles. And maybe it's just a small part, but it does play a lot. Those patients certainly have a lot more confidence. They definitely smile a lot bigger.
Yeah, because when we don't feel comfortable with our smile, we can be self-conscious and then lose confidence and so on. So let's talk about some of the specifics. I know you have some pictures for us today about some things that can be changed. Now tell me a little bit about this before and after.
Yeah, just, I mean, obviously there's some broken down teeth here and some decay in the front teeth. And then obviously there was, hey, I just would like to have a better overall appearance to my smile, some uniform symmetry.
Yeah, that after picture is beautiful.
And enhance the color of the teeth.
That is a wonderful picture. And here's another example.
Yeah, and here's a case that we did actually in a same day visit where the patient came in that morning and left that afternoon looking like this. So
wow, in one day,
yeah,
one visit.
Day, yeah.
That's incredible.
And this one's fairly obvious. This one's a little bit smaller size case where we were trying to be a little more conservative, but obviously a discolored tooth is always very tough to actually mask that. But we were able to get a very nice result by just working on the front 4 teeth there and then giving some more symmetry and enhancing the color of those teeth as well.
So you're talking about a variety of things then, maybe chipped tooth, symmetry, color. So how do you know if it's a one-time visit or, I mean, I guess there's different categories, right?
There is, and if a patient walks in and says, hey, I pretty much like the size and shape of my teeth, I just may want to improve the color or I have a few chipped teeth or something like that, then maybe we could do that in a single visit where that morning we could start it and that afternoon be done. Okay. If there's a lot of changes or they want to have an active role in, say, the smile design process, then we'll break it down into a couple phases where we'll actually transfer that new smile into their mouth kind of in a temporary stage so that they can actually live it, feel it, bite with it, see how their family reacts to it. Because a lot of times it is life-changing, not only for them, but for everybody else around them.
Sure, it is a big change. So we want everyone to smile out there.
Exactly,
so go ahead and give a call, and you can talk to somebody about how to improve their smile.
Yeah, come in for a complimentary consultation. We'd sit down and see what, if anything, needs to be done.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Hall. We appreciate it. And for more information about the Studio for Exceptional Dentistry, you can go to our website, momseveryday.com. Thank you for joining me today and every day. I'm your host, Jen Lennon, for momseveryday.com.
Visit Moms Every Day online or on the go through our Moms Every Day app. Download it today to find local solutions for you and your family.